This is the 2012 Chateau de l'Annonciation from the Saint-Emilion region of Bordeaux, France. This is a Saint-Emilion Grand Cru, and the Grand Cru in Saint-Emilion means there's a little more alcohol, so it's a little bit riper. It's got that much more character, body, and complexity, and there's so much complexity in this wine. There's that really dark red fruit character here, black fruit character mixing together, giving you a really interesting concentrated swirl of ripe berry flavors. You're also getting that classic earthiness from Bordeaux, sort of slaty, dark minerality, with a little bit of rockiness and some tobacco and sort of other herbal characters that are so complex. So a really nice, complex blend, giving you a lot of different nuances and a lot of really rich character that's classic Right Bank Bordeaux. It's beautifully drinking right now with just the right amount of tannin, although this could definitely mature for several more years. There's a lot going on in this wine and a lot to still express itself. Cheers.